Hello, so here it is the way to change the parameters for two machines, the Hunter and the Photo Model S. Okay, so with the Hunter, okay, so if you choose machine Hunter, okay, here it is. Okay, so you choose print and you make maybe custom material. Okay, thickness, okay, more options. This one, for example, 6 seconds. This one is 25. Okay, everything else we keep the same. Okay, and we will save as new. Okay, resin type A. Okay, this is the number that we need to remember, and this one too. Okay, save configurations. Okay, and we go back, but the same model. But if we want to print with the photo machines, okay, so we need to change it to photo 6.9, okay, 9.25 6K, okay, and here we make the same, setting, but we have to change the exposure time, the base time, and the attach time. For example, here we got the base time, instead of 6, no 6, we need to 8.5 or 8. Okay, and this one 100 seconds. Okay, and we save the same name, resin type A. Okay, the same type but different parameters, and we use save configuration. So now every time that you want to print any model with the machines Hunter 6.9, okay, Hunter 6.9, okay, we're gonna do the same. Okay, 0.025 base time, 6 25. Okay, resin type A. Okay, and we save the configurations and everything is fine now. Okay, so now you have 3 kinds of machines, so you can change. Hunter, you got these parameters, and this one Hunter 6.9, you have these parameters. Okay, the same, but the photo 9.25K, okay, you need to change the parameters to this one, so it can print out the same model with the same size. This is the key information for running well with the photo machine. Okay, thank you for watching, and I will make another video clip for you later. Okay, bye bye.